What's up, YouTube? How's it going? Today I'm coming at you as J Hustle. Yeah, we gonna make some money today. This topic has popped up because a couple of my buddies, real good friends of mine, you know, we all have grown-up kids now, and that drive is not there. You know, that hustle, that mentality, that let's go out and get some money. And I'm not talking about to be a millionaire, but I'm just talking about, you know, for the things in life that you want. You know, maybe you want a brand new bike. Maybe you want the latest video game. Maybe you want the flyest clothes. Maybe you want those J's or them Yeezys. Guess what? When I was a kid and my friends were kids, we had to hustle to get that. I'll never forget the first pair of Air Jordans I bought. I was so happy because I bought them. My parents didn't buy them. I bought them. Because I got out there and I hustled. I went out there and made some money. How do you make money without getting into trouble? Well, how about Letgo? How about OfferUp? I always come across things people throw away or people give away. People don't want it. And I take a chance, throw it on OfferUp, throw it on Letgo, and it turns out sometimes. Now, sometimes I'll sit on this stuff for a couple of months, but I eventually end up selling it. Guess what? That's an extra 40, 50, 60 bucks in my pocket. But how do we teach you young people to put down the video games, get out of the house, and get a hustle? Go cut somebody's grass, man. Go clean out somebody's gutters. It just blows my mind. How the kids just want everything to come to them. And the fact of the matter is, us as parents, sometimes we have spoiled them too much. But come on, man. It's time to get up off your feet. Yeah, you want to go get them fancy shoes. You want to go get nice clothes. Go get it yourself. It makes you feel good when you can earn your own money. So what we got in the back, I got 4 chairs. I picked them up not too long ago. Threw them on Letgo. And I'm on my way to pick up a buddy. That's another thing I want to discuss is safety when using Letgo and OfferUp. You gotta have a buddy roll with you. Don't go doing things by yourself. You know, have a buddy with you. Somebody that has quick access to a phone. You know, just in case. You never know. There's a lot of crazy people out there. I'm gonna pick up my buddy, and then we're gonna head to the pickup point. That's another thing. Don't have people come to your house. Don't do that. Meet somewhere in public. You don't want these people coming and knowing where you live, and maybe even seeing other stuff that you have for sale and end up robbing you. We're meeting at a Starbucks. Again, do it in a public area. Make sure there's plenty of daylight. Make sure you have a buddy with you. You also want to make sure that whoever it is that you're dealing with, you make sure that they're verified. If they haven't sold anything, if they haven't bought anything, more than likely it's some kid messing around. So you kind of want to ignore those. I know there's first-time buyers, but I've been let on wild goose chases before. And if you start chasing everybody who says they're going to buy your stuff, you're going to end up burning a lot of gas money. So we're just waiting for the buyer to show up, and we'll make the deal. That's how we do it. That's how we hustle. It takes time, persistence. Use the technology. I know you kids know this technology inside and out. Look for things on the block. Not telling you to become garbage pickers either. But come on. It's so easy to make a couple extra bucks. Anybody can do it. Just play it safe. Again, got my buddy with me. Public place. try to deal with people who have verifications on OfferUp and Letgo, and make it nice and smooth, quick. Drop off the merchandise, get your money, and go. That's how I do it. And hopefully I'll show you some other hustles so that you too can make your own money.